Wait, I'm actually okay.
Dump.
Agreed.
Alright, so, Johnny, you need to beat Dump. Sorry, I was just saying random shit.
It's the fact that nobody's on Spectre is what's pissing me off.
No, I'm pretty sure Mob's on Spectre.
Extra nozzles pounces on you, or you're so
Was anyone for Limbo?
couldn't help it.
No, bro, no, oh my god, that's not what I meant. I meant the Roblox game.
Unzip your baggy
Huh?
panto, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me whack my little baby tailor for your bulgy woody. Kisses and lick his neck.
Yeah.
I hope daddy like his nuzzles and buzzles your chest.
Yeah.
I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little bitch. You think you can help me? No. Only 7 inches long. Ooh, ooh.
Please adopt me.
Pause on your bulge as I lick my lips. Ooh, ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Gavin, beat Blade of Justice right now. Stop playing Eon.
Let's fucking go. I fluked it. I fluked it from 66.
Oh, GG,
Oh, it's
GG!
W. I beat it.
I go fuck
Wait.
yourself.
He beat it.
Ohio Glad.
Ohio